5 Best Utility Tub in 2020. Number 5. TRINITY THA0307. This particular utility sink is a great option for small laundry rooms. It's compact and has a simple and sleek design, with an emphasis on the large bowl which measures 8 by 16 by 13 inches. Another thing that's special about this particular model is the material. The sink is made out of stainless steel, which gives it a more industrial appearance compared to other models. It's a freestanding sink with 4 slender legs also made of stainless steel and adjustable stabilizers made of plastic that keep it level. Coming in number 4. Blue Utility Sink Laundry Tub. In case you prefer something a bit more colorful, perhaps you'd prefer this blue utility tub, which has a simple and practical design. It's a freestanding tub with 4 strong and durable metal legs. It's quite deep and has a capacity of 19 gallons. The overall dimensions of the entire tub are 23.5 by 15.5 by 23.5 inches. The high art faucet looks really nice as well. It's tall and has a graceful shape, and it's black, which goes really well with the blue tub and adds a modern and refined touch to the entire ensemble. Coming in number 3. Black Utility Sink Laundry Tub. Although most utility tubs are white, that's actually not the only option, and there are plenty of other colors to choose from. If you want something equally simple and timeless but with a more sleek look, a black tub might just be the perfect answer. It has a classic design focused on practicality, and it's all black. You can match it to a set of black appliances or cabinets, or you can use it to add some contrast to the decor. This is a complete utility tub kit which includes a double-handle pull-out faucet that's extremely practical and versatile. It also comes with stainless steel supply lines, a PVC pipe drain connection, thread tape, washers, nuts, and a rubber drain plug. Coming in number 2. 20 gallons floor mount combo laundry. Not all utility tubs are big. If you're limited on space, or if you don't need a large tub in your laundry room, something like this might be enough. The overall dimensions of this tub are 15.5 by 25.2 by 23.5 inches. It's a freestanding fixture with 4 gray legs and a white square-shaped bowl. It comes complete with everything you need for the installation, including the faucet, fittings, pipes, stopper, and Teflon tape. Coming in number 1. Mustee Utility Tub. This utility tub measures 34 by 40 by 24 inches and has a simple but also nice-looking design. It's elegant enough to fit in most laundry rooms and deep enough to prevent splashing. It has 4 tapered legs with clean and simple lines that allow you to use this as a freestanding fixture, but it also has a lip around the top which makes it possible to install it as a drop-in sink if needed. Installation is easy and can be done without professional help.